If the father works 9 hours and the son works 8 hours. How long will it take for the father to dig the well alone? So this is a work problem. So ang formula natin sa work problem is just yung amount of work is just the rate of doing the work times time spent in doing the work, no? So WD is equal to RP. So sabi dito, and then also, no, yung value ng W is equal to 1 if the work is done or finished. No? So, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-work si father ng... So ibig sabihin, merong rate ng work si father. Tapos meron ding rate ng work si son. So, tawagin na lang natin ng RF and RS yung rate ng father and ng son. Okay? So, if the father works 6 hours and his son works 12 hours, so bali ang mangyayari lang, summation lang yan ng ano nila, mga rate and time nila. So the work is done. So dun muna tayo sa unang statement, ano? Rate ni father times 6 hours plus yung rate nung son times 12 hours. Bali yun yung equation 1 natin. Okay? Or they can also do it if the father works 9 hours and the son 8 hours. So they can also finish the job if father works 9 hours and son works 8 hours. That is second equation. So obviously, two equations, two unknowns, no, solve na natin yung rate ng kada isa. Okay, and that's 1 over 15 and 1 over 20. So this is the rate of the father and this is the rate of the son. Now, how long will the father dig the well alone? So kung alone naman, o di tatapusin niya yung trabaho equals yung rate ng father tapos yung time alone ni father. Okay? Eh, di ba alam na natin to? This is 1 over 15. Okay? So therefore, yung time ni father alone will be 15 hours. Okay? At o di kaya, ano, shortcut is i-reciprocal mo lang yung rate. Yun na yung time alone nila. Eh, pero ito yung explanation doon. Galing lang din dito yun. Okay? So our answer here would be letter A.